I feel like crap. Just started doing this little new base routine. I just kind of, well, motherfucker. This is the Cover FX glitter drops, and my dude, it is so nice. Like under your foundation, it is so nice. So I'm just gonna kind of blend that in with a brush. And at first it's gonna look so crazy. You don't wanna go with a lightweight foundation for sure if you put this all over your face. I think it gives like a nice glow. I'm gonna be using this Fit Me foundation, Dewy and Smooth, and this is in shade 120. I'm going to be going in with this Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in light neutral. Now this little sponge came with the little bundle with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I forgot what it was called, but it just was this and the sponge. And it was like cheaper than the concealer alone, which is weird. Alright, now I'm going to bronze my face up with this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Warm up my nose, contour my nose, whatever you want to call it. First, I just shape it, and then I go in with a bigger brush and I kind of blend that out, and then I clean it up with some setting powder. By the way, I just want to mention I am so sorry if you hear cartoons in the back, or you hear my son in the back, or whatever. I have officially changed the location of my little makeup area and my filming area to downstairs. It used to be in my son's room. For those of you who don't know, my little makeup area slash filming area used to be my son's room. I'm gonna get some blush. This is the Benefit blush in, I forgot, it's rose gold, I think. Sunny Golden Pink blush. Now I'm going I'm going to be using this Benefit Gimme Brow Stuff in shade 1. I've been liking the really bushy brows for quite a while now. The Instagram brow is great and all, but honestly this is more attractive to me. I'm just going to kind of do my eyes and just let you guys watch my baby. I am going to try to make this quick. I'm going to go do the other eye. I'm going to put on some NYX black liner. I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So I did the other eye. I put on some lashes. I put on also this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Spider Bites. I'm also going to put on some more blush, just because I want it to be really rosy and red, since I'm going for a really red look. I'm also going to put on some Dose of Colors highlight in Fuego. I'm really liking it. I think it's super cute and very holiday-ish. I love it so much. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.